In this video, we'll demonstrate how to apply Resimac's 524 DTM WB to a centrifugal pump casing using convention spray equipment. This advanced water-based epoxy provides durable protection in a single coating. With its low VOC formulation and straightforward application, it's both user and environmentally friendly. Designed for industrial use, it cures quickly and is ideal for surfaces with intricate details and challenging geometries. The product is supplied in pre-measured volumes for hassle-free mixing. Start by pouring the activator into the base container. Using a drill and paddle, mix the components thoroughly until the colour is smooth and uniform. Resimac's 524 DTM WB is available in 3 colours: grey, black and red, providing options to suit different applications. Next, transfer the mixed product into the spray equipment. One key feature of this epoxy is its extended usable life, providing up to 90 minutes for application. Begin spraying the coating directly onto the bare metal pump casing. Its high build properties ensure a smooth, uniform finish, even on vertical or complex surfaces. Be sure to coat the entire pump casing thoroughly for complete and long-lasting protection. Resimac's 524 DTM WB is engineered with a unique formulation, allowing direct application to bare metal and previously coated surfaces. This versatility makes it ideal for both OEM applications and planned maintenance projects. For enhanced durability, the coating can be overcoated with a range of Resimac's protective coatings if needed. The epoxy cures at ambient temperatures, achieving full hardness in just 4 hours at 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. This rapid curing process minimises downtime, making it a practical choice for industrial maintenance. Typical uses include pumps, valves and components in the food and beverage industry, heating and ventilation equipment, and rail infrastructure. Its adaptability and ease of use make it a trusted solution across various industrial environments. For more detailed information, please contact our Resimac team, who will be happy to assist you.